So, welcome for today's class of reasoning and aptitude, and the topic is letter coding, and this is very important for bank exam or any other competitive exam. And all the lectures I have given you all in the previous classes, that is from lecture 1 to lecture 18, and all the important concept, main topics I have given you all. Okay, so there is a link in the description, you all can click. Okay, of bank exam, you will get all the notes of the previous whatever I've explained. You will get all the from 1 to 18 and all the important concept you will get in the link description given below. Okay, so let me start with the letter coding topic. Let us see the letter coding. Okay, you all can take down the letter coding. Okay, letter coding. In letter coding, letters are used in forward or backward or in both directions for making some code languages. In some questions, letters of a word are directly replaced by the other letters. For example, word picture here code and this FLXDZDEM. So this into this into this. So let us see picture PICTURE and are replaced by this. So this picture is replaced by this. Okay. Respectively in the code, we can write the word price or film. Okay. So let us see how to do this with the help of an example. So first, let you all can take down the example. I have given you all the explanation part also. In a certain language, if the code for peacock is this, then what is the code of for elephant in the given in that language? Letter of the word is peacock are written in reverse order as code. Therefore, the code of elephant will be this. So peacock is written as what? Reverse order. K. Suppose this is peacock. Okay. P E A COCK. Now this was written as ulta, right? KCOCAEP. Okay. So obviously this also for elephant also it should be opposite, ulta, right? From reverse. So how we'll write this elephant as elephant, right? PHANT. So it will be TN. So anyway, you all can see TN. Yeah, so this will be the word TNAHPELE. So obviously option C is the correct option. Okay. So I hope you all have understood the solution for this one. Which option? Why it is option C is the correct option. I hope you all have understood. Next, moving towards the next example. So let us see this example over here. If in a certain code triangle is written as AIRTELGN, then how will hexagons be written in the same code? So let us see. Okay, now this triangle is given, right? This triangle word is given. Now first, what is written? What is it? TRIANGLE, right? From this you can see these four words and other four words. Okay, you have to write this as AIRT. You got AIRT over here. Yes, then here it will be reverse order ELELGN. Okay, ELGN. Are you all getting? So same way what you'll have to do over here is write this HEXAGONS. So see the first and the other four. Okay, first I'll have to see the first four. Do it reverse. AXEHSNOG. See if you all are getting. Okay, just see if you all are getting this. AX anyway. In this you all are getting no. In this you all are getting no. In this you all are getting AX no, right? Now option D you all are getting AX, you all are getting EHSNOG. Okay. There might be a printing mistake over here. There might be some printing mistake over here, okay? Otherwise, option, okay, this should be E. Over here, it should be E, okay? Or else, if it is not E, then option E is the correct option, okay? So here, you all have understood, no? Your option D is a correct option. There was a printing mistake, so it is E, okay? So next, moving towards, so here the explanation part is given over here, okay? Now let us see the next example. See, triangle, first part will give you like this, second part will be like this, reverse. Same way, first part will be like this, second part will be like this, reverse. Okay, explanation of this concept. Next, let us see towards the next example. If going is a coded as I, Q, K, P, L, then how is the word along coded in that language? So from this, which option you think can be correct option? So going is coded as G-O-I-N-G. You are writing G-O-I-N-G. Is coded as what? I-Q-K. So here it is I-Q-K-P-I. So G-H-I-O-P-Q-I-J-K-N-O-P-G-H-I. So same way, what it says is along is coded as. Now write down. Here you what you are writing, A-L-O-N-G, right? I hope you all can see this part clearly, okay? See, you all can see over here A-L-O-N-G, along. Okay? So you can write it like B-C-L-M-N-O-P-Q-N-O-P-G-H-I. So obviously, what you all are going to get is, you will have to see this C-N-Q-P-I. So along is what? C-N-Q-P-I, right? So which option is the correct option? Option A is the correct option from this, okay? Next, moving towards the next part. Next example is this. So here you all can see that some letters are and their codes have been given below, okay? Here the letters are given along with the codes, okay? So the code for the beach is what? You all can see here. Directly let me write down B-E-A-C-H, okay? Here what is for B? It is 8. For E it is J. For A it is D. For C it is 5. And for H it is Y. So option D is the correct option, okay? So you all can write down this. Explanation: we observe that a given table and take the codes for each letter and find the code for the word beach, which is 8JD5Y. Okay, so this is how you'll have to find out. Okay, let me rub this part. The explanation part is right over here.